So after scanning and rescanning for channels, is the antenna channels still missing on your TCL Roku TV? Maybe it disappears every time you turn the TV off and then back on again, or it never shows up at all and you only see the streaming channels. Here's how to fix it. Now first, you gotta make sure the antenna is securely connected to your TV. If it feels loose, unplug it and then just go ahead plug it back in firmly. As you can see, whenever I open Live TV from the home screen, both the streaming channels and antenna channels are kind of mixed together in here. Now, if you only want to see your local antenna channels, here's what to do. From the side menu, go to Settings, then to TV Inputs, and then you gotta select Live TV. You can also scan for channels here if you haven't already. But if you have already scanned and your channels are not showing, just go to Manage Channels, and then you gotta select Hide Streaming Channels. But this will remove the streaming channels from the guide, leaving only your local antenna channels. For an even better experience, open Manage All Channels, then go to Favorite Channels first. You'll see a list of all your local channels in here. Simply select the ones you want to add to your favorites. Next, go back to Manage Channels and open Edit Channel Lineup. If any channel are checked in here, they'll be hidden from the channel list. So very important, make sure to uncheck them so they appear once again. Now whenever you want to watch your antenna channels, just open Live TV Guide from the app section on your home screen and you will only see all your local channels listed in here. Now, if you ever want the streaming channels back, go back to the Manage Channels section in Settings and just turn off Hide Streaming Channels option. And that's how simply you can fix any missing or hidden channels on your TV antenna in TCL. Happy watching. Thanks for your time.